How's it going, guys? Welcome back to today's video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it as we work our way towards 10,000 subscribers. Absolutely insane. Never thought I'd be here. All thanks to you guys subscribing and watching. So if you're new and you haven't, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're doing a very cheap modification on the GTI. It's something that I didn't really want to do. I talked with Aerofabb recently, and they have just recently released their race rear diffuser. It's an awesome piece of kit. Right now, it is a little out of my price range, so instead, I spent $35 on an eBay diffuser. And this is 100% a placeholder. I have been wanting the Aerofabb street diffuser for the longest time. Don't know if that's coming back on the market anytime soon. I want their race diffuser, but I want to add something to the look of the rear end that matches the rest of the lips. This doesn't match perfectly, but I think it's gonna hold me over just for the time being, and for 35 bucks, it doesn't look too bad. So right here, came in this box. It was poorly packaged. The screws were just like falling out all over the place, but it is a simple 4-fin diffuser. It's made of ABS. It's got the little brackets here to hold things up. They slide in. It all fits pretty well with each other. It's really not too bad. And it came with these screws to mount it, which, you know, appear to be all right quality. There was one bolt that did not have a nut for right here. So I need to go grab a nut at the hardware store so I can mount that up, and then it's good to go. It also came with the little side fins that go on the outside of the rear bumper. So we're gonna throw those on as well. Should be a pretty easy install. A couple screws, a little bit of drilling, and should look good. It's a little different than Aerofabb's street splitter, which is what I initially wanted, like I said, but it should fit up nicely. I did a little test fit already. It looks good. It's all put together. So today's gonna be a little short video. I'm gonna get to installing it, and then we'll show you the end result. So here it is, the eBay rear diffuser on the Mk7 GTI. It's got these little side fins. I don't know how crazy I am about those. I might take them off and I think it'll still look good. But I definitely like the way that looks for $35. It's not bad. Not too bad. So I know this was just a quick video. That's all it was meant to be. Really simple install, some screws, putting some bolts together and things like that. And we've got ourselves a little rear diffuser. It's no Aerofabb, like I said at the beginning. That's what I'm holding out for. But for 35 bucks, it'll tide me over. This is eBay. You can go on eBay. They've got all kinds of diffusers if you just search for it. I'm not gonna link it below because I can't vouch for this product specifically. It was made fine. It's just kind of ABS plastic that's probably cut on like a CNC type machine. And yeah, it works. It's fine. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got some inspiration for your Mk7 GTI. If you haven't already, be sure you're down below. Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.